What's up, people of YouTube? This is Grow Me Something Mister. I'd like to share with y'all my version of a Tasso seasoning blend. For those of y'all that know about Tasso or don't know about Tasso, it's a pork product that's cured and smoked. It's heavily seasoned, heavily spiced. It's spicy. I looked at different recipes online, and a lot of the recipes are, in my opinion, lacking the spice. There was a lot of paprika. If they used cayenne pepper, it was maybe a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons, and like 2 tablespoons of paprika and other seasonings. In my opinion, that's not spicy enough. So here's mine right here. It's 9 different ingredients. We'll start out with a teaspoon of cinnamon, 2 teaspoons brown sugar. We have 2 tablespoons onion powder and 1.5 tablespoons of garlic. I've got here 1 tablespoon of chili powder and 2 tablespoons black pepper. We have 2.5 tablespoons of paprika and 2 teaspoons of salt. And to make it really spicy, there it is right there, 3 tablespoons of cayenne pepper. This particular seasoning blend makes basically 1 cup of product, 1 cup of seasoning mix. Let me just mix this up real quick. I actually have the brown sugar in another container, and I'll mix this with it and use my fingers to crumble it up. But there it is right there. I would say take a smell of that, but that pepper might get in your nose and make you sneeze a little bit. So that's my recipe right there. I'll have that in the section below with the description for the full recipe. I used it once before and I got great reviews with it. So I'm just going to stick with that again anytime I make Tasso. And look, if you're not making Tasso and you just have something that you want to smoke or that you want to cook in the oven or whatever, it's a good seasoning blend all its own. So, okie dokes, there we go. My own homemade Tasso seasoning blend. This is Grow Me Something Mister. And remember, yeah, I don't have an exit line yet, so see you later, everybody.